Some wait for the road to be built. Others build their own, forged from a legacy of adventure. The 2025 Jeep Wrangler isn't just built to drive. It's built to defy, from mountains to deserts, rivers to canyons. There's no terrain too tough, no challenge too great, because limits, they were never in our vocabulary. Strength meets intelligence, a fortress of technology and comfort, designed for the untamed. A warrior's heart, a pioneer's spirit, and the power to go where others only dream. The world wasn't made to be watched from a distance. It was made to be conquered. The 2025 Jeep Wrangler, unstoppable by nature,